Hello everyone, I invite you to every Wednesday cryptocurrency review. Let's start by checking the current situation on the BTC pair to USDT, taking into account the one-day interval. First, we will use the blue lines to mark the downtrend channel from which the price has gone up. Before we move on to determining support and resistance, please look at the volume, which definitely exceeded the strength of the sellers, but it is worth noting that today we have much less interest. Now we can move on to marking the support spots in case of a recovery from the last big increase. And here in the first place we have support at $23,788, then we can mark the level of $22,983. When the price goes lower we have a strong support zone from $22,163 to $20,984. Looking the other way, using the fib retracement tool in the same way, we can determine the places of resistance. Here we see that the price broke through a strong resistance at $25,250, but failed to hold it and returned below this resistance. Only when the price positively tests it will move towards the resistance at $28,782. When we turn on the EMA across 10 and 30 indicators, we can see that it also indicates a return to the uptrend, and it is worth watching if it is not a false break. Please pay attention to the CHOP index, which indicates that most of the energy has been used. The MACD indicator indicates an uptrend, while the RSI has a strong increase that has approached the upper limit of the range, which may give the price a rebound and a temporary sideways trend. As the second chart in today's review, we will check ETH against USDT, also on a single-day timeframe. First of all, using the yellow line, we can mark the downtrend line that the price has overcome upwards. At this point, it is also worth looking at the EMA across 10 and 30, which at this point indicate a return to an uptrend, but be careful if it turns out to be a false breakout. Now let's move on to marking the places of support. We will use the fib retracement tool to mark the supports, and as you can see, we have the first support at $1,623, which the price is currently approaching, the second support at $1,576, the third at $1,526, and then the fourth support at $1,457. But here you can see that the price must break the strong resistance zone from $1,664 to $1,743. Only when the price breaks out of this zone and then tests it positively, we will be able to observe further increases. As we can see, the first day showed a nice increase, which indicates a growing sales volume. The CHOP index indicates that the energy has been used. The MACD indicator indicates a return to an uptrend. On the other hand, the RSI shows a rebound after the last increase, which may give a positive breath for further increases. As the second chart in the review, we looked at BNB against USDT, as well as on a single-day time frame. First, using the yellow line marked with the local straight line of the downtrend from which the price comes up, and then with the help of the blue line marked with the straight line of the downtrend at which the price returns. Now let's move on to the designations of support places. And as you can see, we have the first support at $303, the second support at $296, the third support at $290, and the next support at $284. Looking the other way, we can also determine the places where the price should be on the upward path. And here we have the first very strong resistance at the price of $310, which the price concerns, however, quickly returned. The next resistance is at the price of $322, and then the third resistance at the price of $338. As you can see, the CHOP index actually, that the energy quickly gathers strength. MACD indicator indicating entering an uptrend. While on the RSI, a visible strong increase may cause a temporary stagnation or correction. The last one in today's chart is the ADA versus USDT chart on a 4-hour time frame. First, we will use the blue lines to mark the downtrend channel from which the price has gone up. Moving on, we can move on to highlighting the support spots. We currently see a price correction where the ADA is based on the first support at 32 cents, the second support at 30 cents, the third support at 29 cents, and the fourth support at 27 cents. Looking the other way, we see first resistance at 33 cents. Then we can mark a strong resistance zone from $3.34 to 36 cents. And then resistance at 37 cents. Please look at the CHOP index, which indicates that the collected energy is used for correction, but we still have a continuation of the move. MACD indicates a return to the downtrend, while the RSI has a strong rebound, which creates room for new increases. Technical analysis is provided by a third party, and for informational purposes only. It does not reflect the views of CryptoDaily, nor is it intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.